Okay, this tutorial is going to cover one of the drawings that we did in class. It's actually one of the first drawings that we saved. It's going to be a daily grade, and we called it the doorstop. Now, if you missed it in class, if you weren't there, or you just got behind, this is going to serve to catch you up. So what we're going to do is go over, we're going to go to the line tool, and we're simply going to snap onto our origin, make sure your line is horizontal, and we're going to type in 5. Alright, now notice that the line is locked in place. We're going to go to a vertical line now that's perpendicular to the first line we created. We're going to make it 2. And then we can go ahead and come off of that line with another line. In class we put it diagonal, and then I had you go to the parallel constraint, that's a geometric constraint, and we clicked on the line, and then we clicked on the bottom line to make it where it is truly parallel. Then we added a line from this endpoint to this endpoint. I'm going to hit escape. I'm going to go ahead and move my dimension out of the way here so that it's not in the way of our angular dimension we're about to add. We simply go to the dimension tool, and we're going to select this angle, and we're going to select this bottom line, and that allows us to place an angle between the two. We put that in at 60 degrees. This is where in class I had you change the 2-inch vertical line to 10 inches to show you how Inventor doesn't really understand that anything is wrong with this right here. And then I had you change it back to either 7 or 8. I'm going to change it back to 7 in this case just so it makes this line a little bit longer. It's easier to see on the video. And then I'm going to delete the line, the dimension altogether. Alright, now we're going to place a dimension on this line of 0. And that's going to force the triangle to come to a point. And we created, in doing that, a 30, 60, 90 triangle because of the interior angles of this. And then we simply went to Finish Sketch, and that tells the computer that you're ready to begin a 3D feature. In this case, we're going to go to our Extrude command. Make sure this dialog box is open. Notice it automatically selects our triangle for us because it was the only closed loop that we had on our sketch, so it had no other choice but to select that one. So it did it for us. We're just going to put in a distance of 3. And then if you want to go over to your orbit, your 3D orbit or free orbit tool, it's on the navigation bar here. You can then move your object around on your screen. Notice that the view cube is moving as well. And we simply went up to the I button here in the corner, and we went to Save As, and go to make sure that you save this to your ID number, and you're going to call it Doorstop. If you have any problems, just replay this video and follow along. Keep pausing.